Hey guys, welcome back to the Road Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you reset your AirPods Pro from previous owner. So simply guys, if you want to remove from all devices or from previous owner your AirPods Pro, so how can you do it? So we can do it very easily. So simply guys, first of all guys, you may just close the case of your iPhone AirPods. Then guys, you may click and hold this side button for 15 to 20 seconds, and then guys, you may check your AirPods Pro will be reset. So you may click and hold for some second this one, and you may check here light will be blink again, and you may check this will be reset, and now you can enjoy your AirPods Pro easily. So let's check, and you will just wait for some second. So your AirPods are resetting. So your AirPods are resetting, guys. So you may check this light has blinked again, and your AirPods has been reset. Now guys, you may connect your AirPods to your iPhone, and you may check, guys, your AirPods has been working properly, and these has been reset from your previous owner successfully. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.